Hello everyone, welcome back to English is Easy. In today's video, we are going to learn about the future continuous tense. This tense is very useful when we want to talk about an action that will be happening at a certain time in the future. 2. Definition. The future continuous tense describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, at 8 o'clock tomorrow, I will be studying. This means tomorrow at 8 o'clock, the action of studying will already be happening. 3. Structure of future continuous tense formula. Shows the subject plus will be plus verb plusing plus object. Examples. I will be working tomorrow evening. She will be cooking dinner when you arrive. They will be playing football at 5 p.m. 4. Uses of future continuous tense. Use 1. Action in progress at a specific future time. This time next week, I will be traveling to London. Use 2. Parallel actions in the future. While you are watching TV, I will be studying. Use 3. Polite or formal way of asking about plans. Will you be joining us for dinner tonight? Will you be attending the meeting tomorrow? 5. Negative form formula. Showed subject plus will not, won't be plus verb. Singing. Examples. He will not be coming to the party. We won't be using the car tomorrow. 6. Interrogative form formula. Jody will plus subject plus be plus verb. Examples. Will you be waiting for me at the station? Will they be working late tonight? 7. Summary. So remember, the future continuous tense is used when 1. The action will be in progress at a specific time in the future. 2. Two actions happen at the same time in the future. 3. To ask polite questions about future plans. That's all for today's lesson on the future continuous tense. Practice by making your own sentences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English is Easy for more simple grammar lessons.